Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my Scentsy April Whiff box unboxing. I'm very excited to share it with you. If you're not familiar with what a Whiff box is, it is a monthly released basically mystery box by Scentsy, and it comes with all kinds of different things in it. And they started this year doing one exclusive item that you could only get in the Whiff box. So that is very exciting. To be honest with you, I'm not sure which one it is for this month. I think I know, but I'll for sure leave it in the comments down below which one is exclusive to the Whiff box. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So first things first, you get this cute little flyer and it will tell you like the theme of it. This one is clean it like you mean it. So we are going to be getting cleaning supplies. First up, we have dish soap, and this is the one that I think is exclusive. I wish that they would put like a little Whiff box exclusive sticker on whatever it is. But this is Pink Sunshine dish soap, and you've just got people doing yoga in the background. But it smells so good. I really enjoy their dish soap actually. But to me, it smells just fruity. Sorry, the lid is hard to get off. It's like a fruity floral. It's really good. It smells like a very like nice scent that you would want to have in your kitchen doing dishes. So I enjoy that. This one for sure is in the catalog. It's banana leaf and bamboo, and it is the bathroom cleaner. And this is one of my all-time favorite scents from the new catalog. So let me tell you all about that. Let me see here. It's such a fresh scent. Okay, it wasn't released in this catalog, but it is in the new catalog. So this is banana leaf and bamboo. It's juicy sweet white peach. Sorry, my son is just waking up from his nap, so I gotta get in there. But it's juicy sweet white peach and banana leaf enveloped aged bamboo and sheer mahogany. So it's just a really nice, fresh, clean scent, which is perfect for a bathroom cleaner. And yes, I probably should just try and film this video at a different point because I feel like it's been a hot mess express, but we're just gonna roll with it because I just don't have time to film lately. So we're just doing it. And now I see my trash can here too. As you can see my Sonic drink. Love that. Love it. But anyways, moving on. This is the Scentsy Swipes, and they come in the scent Squeeze the Day. It is the only scent that they come in, and I have been loving these. I'm actually using my first like container of Scentsy Swipes to like hold up my phone right now. So I have 2 of these right now, but I really enjoy them. They're just countertop wipes, which you can use on any non-porous countertop. So I wouldn't recommend using them on granite, but if you have quartz, you should be good to go because quartz doesn't have those fine pores that like granite or the natural stone does. But yes, I love those. And if you've never smelled Squeeze the Day, it is so good. It's a lemon scent, but it's like the perfect lemon scent in my opinion. So it says a tart and true fragrance of pure lemons balanced by a hint of vanilla cream. It doesn't smell bakery at all. It just smells really fresh and clean, and I love that. And I love the Scentsy Swipes. So 10 out of 10 for that. And then we did get at the bottom of this little Whiff box 2 Scentsy bars. So the first one is key lime and grapefruit, which I forced my dad to smell this one. He loved it. It's like a fruity fresh, like you definitely get the tartness of that grapefruit, and I am here for it. So if you are a fresh fruity type person, or like a citrus type person, this is gonna be the one for you. It almost has like a sherbet afternote in my opinion. I don't think that this one is in the catalog, so I don't know if it's a sneak peek of a different collection coming out or if it's going to be an up and coming scent of the month, but that one is really good, so keep your eyes peeled for it. Get the Whiff box if you want. And then this one is Blooming Marvelous, which this one also I don't believe is in the catalog, and I'm not positive where it's coming from, but it is definitely a floral one. Yeah, it's not in the catalog. Sorry, I'm just triple checking. But it is so good. Like, I love this one. It's like a floral that's not over the top. I don't know why I'm showing it to you, but it's it almost gives me like moonlight orchid vibes, like something of that nature, where it's just a more like soft, subtle floral, which is something that I love. I don't like those bam in your face florals, so this one is really good for that. But yeah, definitely check this out. So that is it for today's Whiff box unboxing. You have all kinds of cleaning supplies, and then you've got stuff to make your home feel really fresh and clean. So you've got, you know, that lighter floral and that like citrus, fruity, cleany scent. But definitely enjoyed this box. If you are someone who has wanted to try the cleaning products, but like doesn't know where to start, this is a good box for you. Especially because it is a $35 box. However, they always include more bang for your buck in the box. So if I can find it, I will leave all of the information down below of like the breakdown of like, you know, how much value you get versus how much you actually pay. But I will of course have the link down below if you're interested at all. If you have a Scentsy consultant, go ahead and use them. But if you don't, all the stuff is down below. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and until next time.